Dear all, hope you are all fine. This video is for a very simple message. Carrot and stick approach is an English idiom. I hope that most of you might have come across these idioms before. This means punishing and rewarding the people in order to induce the desired result or behavior among the people. The philosophy of this approach has come from a very long way from an old English story that the very best way to make the cattle to move forward is to put the carrot just in front of it or to beat it with a stick from behind. Here, the carrot refers rewards, whereas the sticks refers punishment. But to some extent, today this approach does not work out effectively, particularly in academics due to various reasons. One among it is about the one-child policy that most of the family adopt today, which in fact has tied up the hands of the teacher, even the well-wishers, and even the parents too, to correct the mistakes when the kids commit mistake. But nature has been a great teacher and philosopher. It always brings massive solution and better lessons for the people. I'm not talking about some of the deadliest viruses like COVID-19, with which we have been traveling for almost 2 months today. But lockdown periods like this is really most challenging for almost all sorts of the people all over the world, over which I think we have no control unless we invent either vaccines or medicine. To some extent, it teaches the importance of keeping ourselves calm and composed during this lockdown period. So this is called blessed in disguise in English. I don't say that outbreak like this is good for the people, yet what I am trying to say is we could find an opportunity even during the challenging time like this. This is what Winston Churchill of England said, as an optimist sees an opportunity in every calamity, whereas a pessimist sees a calamity in every opportunity. So instead of worrying about the problems with which we have been going through for the last 30-40 days, we can make use of these times that is available in abundance now. So managing our time creatively is the best way to beat the stress today. I think that will make us to sail smoother every day. And even during our stay at home throughout the lockdown period, we can do self-SWOT analysis that will help us to know ourselves even better today. Socrates, I hope you know him well, is one of the greatest philosophers of all time, has said the same point in a very nutshell, that is, know thyself. Learning, in fact, never cost anyone, but even if you are tired of reading books, you can do self-assessment of your character, your strength, your weakness. That itself is a great learning for your career in future. So be relaxed, stay positive, and have good rapport with your family members in the days to come. So don't cry over the spilt milk. Try to find the opportunity in every challenging situations it has within. Emerge yourself as winner. Do the best. All the best. Thank you very much.